Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang. I cut some videos from another YouTube channels that they are related to this subject, Big Bang, galaxies, universe. Okay, so in this video, Paul Kreutzer, I believe, so from Institute of Art Ideas YouTube channel. So listen the question after he says that the bosons are true. So so then they talk about dark matter. So he says that the dark matter does not exist because it's true. And then he asks in this video, but then why do the people still believe in dark matter? So he says that it was proved undoubtedly that dark matter does not exist. So this question, this YouTube channel, this guy.
So going back to dark matter, what makes you believe that dark matter's existence has been disproven with such high confidence?
So after you watch that, you understand that this is the way I make my videos. I have here always a glass of tea or a coffee. This time this no name cola, okay? Look, you cannot find a name on it, you see? No name cola. Okay, so this is how how it answers. So sure.
Because we've done, since 25 years, we are studying the properties of galaxies, and we've put a lot of emphasis into understanding how galaxies function. And one particularly strong prediction is that if you have galaxies orbiting other galaxies and they are moving around in the dark matter halo, so every galaxy has this huge dark matter halo, and if it's moving around this dark matter halo, it will be suffering, it will be losing kinetic energies, it will be getting slower and falling towards the center of the other galaxy and merge.
This is the first part, but he is against dark matter, if you understand. If you understood this, maybe at least, okay. So dark matter, he says, that does not exist, and you'll see that in the end of this, it will be asked, then why do people still believe in dark matter? But so he's saying that somehow they observe the galaxies that move faster than they fast. And then when they have so listen the first part.
So this is called the dynamic of friction. It's the same as if you have a pot of honey and you put a marble into the honey, it will not accelerate downwards, but it will slowly sink. Yeah? Although if you have the same pot without honey, the ball would just fall down quickly. In the honey, it will sink slowly. So that basically the same thing happens in a dark matter halo. A galaxy enters this dark matter halo and it slowly sinks down. It doesn't accelerate fast as it should if there were no dark matter halo. So we've tested this observationally, and the effect of the slowing down is not there, yeah, with that type of confidence. And so the galaxies are encountering each other far too rapidly. And a case in point is the Large Magellanic Clouds, which is just now racing past our Milky Way, very close to the Milky Way actually, and it's far too fast. So, and the Small Magellanic Clouds too.
So this was a prediction that was made by the claim that dark matter exists, and it's been falsified,
yeah, absolutely.
In your view, by observation. So why do people still, in your view, cling on to this idea of dark matter existing?
Well, that's an interesting sociological problem which one would like to understand, because it has no rational basis.
They say our galaxy has 100,000 years. So now you take another galaxy, a smaller one, half. So that's why I put 10 minus 5, what it is, 10 minus 5. You don't realize, like everybody, like the gravity must act on time also, not only space. When you see to these galaxies approaching, okay, you are believing, oh, okay, they are attracted. Gravity is not attraction. Attraction, colliding. Gravity is not attraction, okay. But you if you see this, okay, it could happen. Yes, I can see this. Yes, but now think of this. Imagine this has 100,000 years, the length of our galaxy, and this one 5,000, half. 50,000. Okay. So now, but imagine like they have a span between them. Like let's say if this is 100,000 years, what is the span? Double. Okay, or 100,000 years. So but you do not understand now that there must be a function over time from T1 T2. So you understand that is tricks. If you spin a galaxy like this and you are believing that somehow you can do it, but from the center you must grab over 200,000 years not space. They switch space with time when they want years. Okay, so after you watch that, you understand again from the center of a galaxy at the end of it must be literally 50,000 years, not space. You imagine years. So but what's the problem if you have something in the middle? The gravity must be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 100,000 years. But now listen. The Einstein question: what's the speed of the connection of gravity? What is the speed? So, but if it is the speed of light, we do not know other speed. The distance between galaxies must be, let's say, 100,000 years. But when was emitted? What gravity that grabs 100,000 years? When was emitted? If you understand, 2,000 years ago. So from the center, a wave of gravity was going at the border of our galaxy. So from some reason, going 2,000 years like an emission. So you understand when you spin something that has 200,000 years. There's a problem because you have a function over 200,000 years. If you do not understand this, so what I'm telling you, you see this galaxy, they're saying they are collapsing. This. So what I'm saying, they're simply stars, one near another. It is a wonder for you. Like why this is a do you believe that every star must be spherical? Look, one near another. So look, these galaxies. You saw that they are seeing they're crushing. So I'm telling you, the boson Higgs does not exist. They are lying in Europe. they treat the government, okay? And the dark matter does not exist. This guy says, but does not exist, and he speaks about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is force done by Leibniz. Leibniz named it kinetic energy and Newton force, okay? So it's a force, impact force. Kinetic energy is an impact force. So that's why how it is, what it is 10 minus 5. All the planets does not know. So the galaxies are stuck. 10, like 100,000, you do not get this. I reduce some zeros, okay? 10 minus 5. So one has 5,000 years and 100, and how it interacts? How? In a temporal. Woo! Okay, so our galaxy is a sphere and we do not see the universe. And all of these are static stars. They are not going anywhere and we do not see the universe. Goodbye. God bless.